Hello angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be trying out the new Revolution Pro 4K bronzer palette. This is what it looks like inside. So I'm also going to be trying out a bunch of other new products. As in, I'm going to be trying out this this brush. Is I think it's called Doe Color or Doe Color. I don't know what it's called, but it looks like this. So I'm gonna be opening and unboxing and everything. So okay, I'm back. My eyebrows are done, and now I'm gonna go into this brush. Okay, another packaging. It looks cute though. Imagine removal of this. It came in this I don't know what this thing is called. Okay, it's like a guard. It's like a brush guard. Ooh, feels very soft. Ooh, okay. So it came with a powder brush. This is like some sort of angled, maybe bronzer brush. This is a highlight brush, I think. It hasn't got names on it, but I'm just winging it. Then I'm guessing I see a bit of a flyaway. Oh, okay. It was bent. Okay. So this is like some sort of foundation brush. I wish it's got names. It doesn't though. So then it's got like a tiny crease brush, I think. I don't know what this is called. And this is like a pencil brush. And this is like a flat shader brush. This is an angled brush. And this is just a spoolie. So, alright, because of the lack of choices, I'm gonna go in with my own brush and I will apply my eyeshadow base. I'm gonna be using my plouise eyeshadow base. Today, I'm also gonna be trying this Eye Magic eyeshadow. This is a Eye Magic Professional Cosmetics 16 color eyeshadow palette. This is from Aliexpress, and this is what it looks like. This is my first time using this. Actually, I've had it in my collection for a while, but I haven't tried it, so I'm gonna try that today. So it's some sort of warm tone palette. It's giving me what is this called? You know, the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. It's giving me that sort of vibe. Okay, well, that brush that I opened, the brush set that I opened has no what's it called, fluffy brush. So I'm just gonna use my Morphe E23 brush, and I'm gonna be dipping into the shade Winky. I'm just using this as an all over crease shade. I'll go into the shade Smoked and apply it just right above my crease. These eyeshadows are very pigmented though. I think that was just one dip. I'm gonna go into the shade Vamp. This brush is something I can use in my not inner corner, like my outer corner, but not something I could use all over, you know. But I actually do not have any option right there. I'm gonna go in with a different brush because that was terrible. Okay, I'm gonna be using the flat shader brush, and I'm gonna use that to cut my crease. So I'm gonna clean that same brush, and I will use it to apply my lid shade. I think I'll go in with this. I've done way too many like red look these days, so I'm just gonna go with the gold shade. So I'll go in with the shade Drive and I'll apply that all over my lid. I'm gonna be using the pencil brush and I use that to apply this shade to my inner corner. It's like some sort of gold. Well, it's not as reflective as the other one, but now I'm gonna go back into the shade Bold and I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna put that in my outer crease or outer corner, whatever. Alright, I'm gonna apply liquid liner to my eyes. I'm gonna be using my Benefit Bad Girl Bank mascara. I'm gonna be using this Huda Beauty lashes, I think. Well, that's what it says anyway. Oh god, these lashes are hella weird. Oh. I'm gonna be using the Revolution Pro featherweight primer. Alright, I will be using my Colourpop No Filter foundation. This is in the shade Deep Dark 185. Apparently now you can order Colourpop to the UK without paying customs. Basically to be calculated at checkout, so you don't have to pay customs separately. This is applying the foundation very well. Like, it's so brilliant. It's pretty much like any of my other brushes. It's not like there is nothing special about it, but at least it's doing what it says. It's doing what it's supposed to do anyway. So, oh yeah, this foundation does oxidize. I'm using the No Filter concealer in the shade Dark 46. I'm using the same foundation brush to apply my concealer. Alright, I'm going to be using my Colourpop No Filter setting powder. This is in the shade Banana. Now I'm going to be using the Colourpop No Filter Sheer Press powder. I'm going to be using the shade Deep Dark. And I'm going to be using that all over my face. We all know I don't like wearing the cream contour. The moment we've all been waiting for. Ta-da! This looks beautiful. It's very warm. It looks like a blush, but I'm gonna check to see if I could find something I could bronze with. It's very warm. This brush, I'll be going into this shade here. I pray it works. It's very powdery. That shade is a bit shimmery. But doesn't show up on my skin tone. Alright. Well, that's terrible. This I could use as a blush. I hardly wear blush anymore, but I don't have a choice in this case. This is a bus. I can't use this. This is a waste of my money. This is a waste. I'm literally red. I don't have a choice now. I'm gonna be going into my ebony bronzer. That really disappointed me. I feel so red. I'll be going into this highlighter. It's the Revolution Pro highlighter. This is the metal one. I'm gonna be using that same shading brush. I'll be going into the shade Drama, and I'll be putting that in my lower lash line. Okay. I went into my local Primark the other day, right? And I picked up this PS 2-in-1 primer finishing spray with green tea and argan oil. It says shake with, well, it says shake what your mama gave you. Shake to prime, settle to refresh complexion. I kind of love the way it sprays. Oof. I like that. Okay, I'm back. I love the way the eye look turned out. Really nice. And okay, let me start from the brushes. These brushes are beautiful. They're so pretty, you know. Like, I like it. As in, it works well. You can't exactly do, you can do a full face with this, but you can't do a full eye look with this because it's missing a fluffy brush that you need in your crease. And it's got one pencil brush. It's got this shader brush. It also has this brush. I didn't actually use this because I didn't see it, but you can use this literally for under your eyes or whatever, like, you know, for detail work or whatever. But it's really good. It's really pretty. As in, I actually like it. Like, there's no shedding, no smell. I give this a C. And it wasn't that expensive. I think it was like £10 or something. I'm not sure. Anyways, this I give an A+. It's beautiful. It blends well. It's pretty. Like, it's beautiful and it works well. You know, take a look at the eye look. It's really pretty, and it works. It works. It's pigmented. It was like, I think £5 or something like that. It's really good. So I like this. I like this a lot. Then this is pretty. This is the first time I'm using this, and I really like it. As in, take a look at that. Look at that glow. This is pretty. Okay, the other thing I didn't like was this. Well, actually, I don't like the lashes. The lashes is disgusting. I don't like it. I'm sorry. It's a no-no for me. I think this style of lashes is just not my thing. I just don't like it. Then this, I am so disappointed in this. I am literally so disappointed because take a look at that. As in, obviously, I had to use my CoverGirl Ebony bronzer. That's what I had to save this look. But imagine using this and as in going to buy this thinking it's gonna bronze something and it doesn't. As in, what is the point of making this if it's not gonna work for people of a darker skin tone? You know, this is useless. As in, obviously, you can use it as a blush or something, but you can't use it as a bronzer. So what's the point of doing it? You know, I'm sorry. Revolution, fix that. Fix that. So that's pretty much everything, you know. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, please thumbs it up and like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Please take a look at that. I forgot about that. This Primark water, this is nice. I think, I don't know, I think I have to use it more for me to say something about it, but I think it's got like some sort of oil inside, so it's not just water. So it's got some sort of ingredients and stuff. So, but this is great. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.